Hey guys, let's start the unboxing of MI Home Security Camera 360. Finally, my order just arrived. This is the MI Camera 360. I ordered it online from MI store. This one is a product of Xiaomi. For your information, Xiaomi is a China-based company. They have a lot of products actually, but I ordered this one first. So, okay, let's open it now and let's see what's inside it. Oh, this one is the user guide, how to operate this camera. Next to it is a small box. Let's see what's inside in it. A USB cable, a wall high accessories bag, and adapter. Okay, so that's it. That's what's inside in this small box. And let's see now what's in this big box. Oh, the camera! Ta-da! Wow! It's so beautiful and cute. And they wrap it very carefully. So this is the MI Home Security Camera 360. Why 360? It's because its head rotates 360 degrees that capture a wide range of the place where your camera will be put. And this is the eye. You can also tilt up and down to 120 degrees. 1080p FHD video. Real-time monitoring if needed. Night vision. All motion detection. Inverted, installed, and take back feature. It also had a built-in speaker where you can talk and call if needed. This is the rest button. And that's it. My next video, I will teach you in how to connect your device with your MI Home Security Camera 360. For your home security, I really recommend this to you to consider this product. It's cheaper compared to other security cameras in the market, and it's easy to navigate and use. Just install the MI Home application from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Simply connect the MI Home Security Camera on your smartphone or tablet. So that's it. So that's all, guys. I really hope that I help you somehow. And if you have some questions, you can actually comment down below. And I'll do my best to answer it. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye.